Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Prajakta Vaidya. I am Holistic Life Coach and Certified Reiki Grandmaster. Let me give you a brief introduction about myself. I am specialized in helping people who are stressed and wants to overcome with certain kind of issues that they may be facing in their life. Because of that, you feel stress. For example, relationship issues, family disconnection, no job satisfaction, somehow losing temper means increasing your anger, different kind of addiction problems, or any type of health issues. These are several examples which may lead your stress level high. I'm here to help you out from different kinds of stress related problem, and even if you want to manifest any kind of things in your life, I will definitely like to help you out for the same. To understand this first, you need to accept a fact that there are things in and around us which are invisible. See our image in mirror, we just see what exactly the physical body is. But our physical body is surrounded by energy field known as aura, which divided into Panchakosha. Do you know what is Panchakosha? Our soul is wrapped under these koshas, namely Annamay Kosha. Annamay means a physical body which we are able to see. Then is Pranamay Kosha, that is our energy body. After Pranamay Kosha, Manomay Kosha, then Vijnanamay Kosha, and then Anandamay Kosha. Manomay Kosha is intellectual kosha. Vijnanamay Kosha is a knowledge which we pursue that always intact in the Vijnanamay Kosha. And Anandamay Kosha, as the name states, Ananda means happiness and joy, which is related to ourselves. As I blessed with Reiki energy, I always work on your aura with your energetic field. According to science, we have 5 cosmic elements that is called Panchatattva, namely Prithvi, Apa, Teja, Vayu and Akash. Body is made up with these 5 elements. Elements are the center of our chakras. We have mainly 7 chakras in our body, namely root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and top of the head, that is crown chakra. So these are the energy field of our body. Because of that, we are alive. Chakras can be balanced, underactive, overactive, or properly active. If chakras get imbalanced, we may face different kind of physical emotional issues, which I want to sort out. Your stress is always hamper your body. You may notice that. If you feel nervous, you may find some sensation in your stomach. And when you feel angry, your heartbeats are raised up. So, our emotions, our stress may lead to several types of physical as well as psychological problems, which is occur due to your imbalancing in chakras. So, just focus your chakra, and as a Reiki practitioner, I have different kind of levels to clean your auras, just to scan your aura and create a clean pathway for your energies. And this Reiki energy, when it flows into your body, it will give you a drastical changes in your life. This result you will able to see after taking some kind of healing sessions. My healing sessions always include with different kind of Shabda Brahma and golden codes of numbers which help you out to manifest your dreams. So right now I am taking your leave I hope you understand what exactly the profile and how I work with your aura. Thank you. Namaste.